Hey boys and girls, Mr. Splawski here. You're probably wondering, what in the world, what is Mr. Splawski wearing? Well, guess what? You've been conducting science experiments already today. You were just investigating what happened to your seeds we planted last week. Some of you may have noticed some have grown, some have even grown roots, and some have turned into seedlings. Well, today, we're going to continue being scientists. That is right. We are going to be using some beautiful plants that I have right before us. Now, you're probably wondering, why did I dress as a scientist? Well, you're all being scientists right now. Scientists conduct experiments. When they conduct experiments, they have something called a variable. Today, we're going to be given, each group is going to be given 2 plants, 2 beautiful flowers. You just pull this out. All right. You're going to be given 2 pansies. That's the type of flower this is. You're going to notice the roots. The roots grow. Look at that. Wow, that is pretty, isn't it? Look at all those roots. It's like it's growing hair. Anyways, you're going to notice all the things about the plant. You're going to see you're going to see the stem, all the parts and the things we've been learning about plants. This is already a grown plant. This is no longer a seedling. It's turned into a plant. What we're going to be doing is each group is going to be given 2 plants. You're going to place both plants in a cup, and you'll be given a different variable. The variable is here how it's going to be different. So some groups, I might tell you, you're going to put water in this cup, so you label it water, and in this cup, you grab your second plant, and you write no water. So 1 cup, you're going to be watering that plant, and 1 cup, you aren't going to be watering that. So that's a variable. It's something that you can change. The second version, so we're going to have one with water and no water. Then we're also going to have one where we have a light and no light. When you do no light, you're going to set one inside a paper bag. You can still give it water every day, but it needs to stay out of the light. And you can even take this, and to even change it a little bit more, you can maybe have your teacher put this in a closet in your room, because these will all be going back with you today. Okay? So one's going to be in a bag, one will be out of the bag. So that's one. So that's light and no light. Because we want to see if plants really need sunlight, water, air, and of course soil to survive. So your next one is going to be air. So 1 cup's going to be outside. It's going to say air. The other one's going to be on the inside of a plastic bag. You're going to open your bag. You're going to make sure your plant's in there. That can still stand. You're going to close it. And now it's going to be given no air. Again, you're still allowed to water it. Your last but not least experiment, now this one's a messy one and a fun one. You are actually going to remove all the soil all the way from your plants. So I can only see roots. All I want to see left are these roots. No soil. Okay? So one of them is going to have soil left, and one of them is only going to have its roots left. And we're still going to give it water, and we're going to see what happens. You're going to be journaling in your classroom the next 3 weeks, all the way up until spring break. And you're going to have to come back and report to me all about what you're learning in your scientific experiment. So these are our 4 experiments we'll be doing today. I hope you have fun. And let's make sure we work together, we share, and of course, we have fun. Let's go plant some plants. Are you ready?